Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Ford Escape, stock number 6762. This ran from the 9th 2016 to the 5th 2020. It has a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.